Welcome Slayers, my name is Carrie Burke and I'm here to welcome you to Slay Masters, the best place for beauty, community, and self-expression. Today I'm going to be showing you my favorite wedding guest hairstyle. It's wedding season, so many weddings were placed on hold because of COVID, but they're back and better than ever, and I'm so excited to show you this little half up, half down wavy hairstyle that I love. My hair texture is pretty frizzy, but as soon as I put a nice little beach wave in it, it looks super natural and much less frizzy. So if you have frizzy hair, this one is for you. Not to mention, if you love showing off your facial features, the half up, half down hairstyle will show off that beautiful makeup and all those beautiful facial features out there, Slayers. So for this tutorial, you're going to need a curling iron, a straightening iron, or a beach waver, whatever you want to use to curl your hair. Also have some bobby pins on hand for that half up, half down hairstyle. And my secret weapon, hairspray. I like to use this prep spray because it prevents frizz and really keeps your hair protected from the heat. Fire wash for the win. Let's get started. So I have my beach waver here, and the first step is to take a 1/2 inch to 1 inch section of hair. I'm going to start with this one in the front. Make sure that all these extra pieces are separated from it so you get a really clean curl. Also make sure that you don't take too big of a section because it's not going to curl well. So we're going to take this clamp here and place it towards the bottom of this strand. My beach waver has these 2 arrows here. You're going to choose which direction you want to curl your hair in, and once you have that direction, you're going to press the button. As you're waiting for it to curl, make sure to hold it face up. Don't hold it too long. Then you're going to hit the clamp and release. Wow. So you have to make sure that you always curl it away from your face and hold this curling iron straight up. After about 5 seconds or so, we're going to press the clamp to release. So in the back, I usually like to alternate the direction of the curl just to give it some texture and dimension. Okay, we're going to clamp it to the hair and again curl away from the face. Just wait a few seconds. Move this piece out of the way. And we're going to release the clamp. Perfect. So before we get to the bobby pins, I usually like to take the hairspray and just spray the whole thing. This stuff smells good. Okay, now that it is hairsprayed, I usually like to just loosen it up a little bit so the curls look nice and natural. As you can see, it already looks much better as soon as I just shake it out a little. Also, to smooth the frizz on top of my hair, just spray a little bit on top, about a foot away from the top of your head, and just smooth it out. So I'm going to take a super small section of hair just right here at the front of my head, about like 1 centimeter, and just scoop it back. Take the bobby pin and just pin it right to the back of your head. It is as simple as that. And I usually like to pin it in a crisscross pattern so it looks pretty in the back of your hair. It kind of reminds me of like Rapunzel or like some princess hairstyle. It's super simple and elegant. You can also dress it up with a beret. You can put some glitter in your hair. It depends just how fancy you want to get for this wedding. This is the before hair, and this is the after. I'm absolutely in love with how it came out. I'm about to go try it on with a dress that I would actually wear to a wedding. So this is my little wedding look. The pink definitely matches the pink hair clip that I put in. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to join our community, sign up for our newsletter, and subscribe below. Now I am ready to slay.